All right, so we are making some pork pot stickers, and this is going to be a large batch. So I will be using 2 pounds of ground pork, 2 cups of chopped nappa cabbage, 4 finely chopped green onions. I will be doing 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'll be doing 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. I'll be doing 4 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'll be doing a full teaspoon of ground ginger. I'll be doing salt and pepper to taste. I'm also going to be grating up 1 carrot into this. And then for the end here, I have some pot sticker dipping sauce, which is what I was going to use for it, but we'll just keep those end sauces together. So I guess the first thing we'll want to do is we'll mix the pork and the cabbage and the green onions, the ground ginger, hoisin, sesame, soy, and salt and pepper into this bowl, and then we'll start filling our wonton wraps. All right, so filling the wontons, what we'll do, we'll take our wonton here. You'll need a little dish of water, and that'll be for the sealant along the edges here. So grab a slice of wonton paper, wonton wrapper, and we'll put a little bit of the filling in there, about a bite size worth. And then how I like to do this is I like to put water around the entire outside edges. And then I will bring the 2 corners together at the top, like that. Kind of push the stuffing in. And then I will bring the other 2 corners while sealing these edges here. And this is just how I like to do it. You know, you see a lot of fancy wonton folding techniques, but this works best for me, and I find it to be quite easy. So there is 1 fully sealed wonton, and we will fill up the rest of this cookie sheet. So I have 52 filled wontons here, and just a little bit of filling left. So what we'll do is we will put a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom of a pan. We will put as many of these into a pan as possible. We will fry the bottoms of these so they're nice and crispy over medium heat. And then once we get the nice crisp that we want, we will put a little bit of water in there, cover the pot, or the pan, I mean, with a lid, and we will steam these up. So time for cooking, we'll stay tuned.